Here's how you can hide your photos on Facebook in 2025. Open the Facebook app on your phone or go to facebook.com if you're on a desktop. First, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, head to your settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap on Profile and Tagging. Under the section titled Photos that you're tagged in, you'll want to adjust who can view these photos. Tap Who can see posts you're tagged in and choose See All. From here, select Only Me to keep all tagged photos private. This will make sure no one but you can view these images. Next, let's adjust the privacy settings for photos you've posted yourself. Go back to your profile page and look for Manage Posts. Here, you'll find every post and photo you've shared on Facebook. For each post, tap the three dots and select Edit Privacy. Change the setting to Only Me and hit Done. Unfortunately, there's no easy way to do this for all posts at once, so you'll need to do it individually.